Welcome back to Crypto Wealth channel, guys, where we're going to discuss about the Bitcoin price finally, some altcoins, and we're going to read some news that considers security in crypto community. And now let's get started. Standing here on the Bitcoin chart, we can see that we still did not broke $7,200. I observed this price action in the previous 48 hours and I can see that we are still in consolidation here between this area of $7,200 and $6,500, which means that the Bitcoin broke this level of support and now retesting this level of resistance over here, because as I mentioned in the previous videos, we do have two types of retest when price drops through some level of support. We have a round retest, which means that the price will go far away from that resistance, going to consolidate here for example and try to retest it all over again, and we do have direct retests. Now, important thing to say here, we are on the daily chart and this is pretty much very valid here. We can see that the price started to retest instantly, immediately here on this level of resistance, which means the bulls are still trying to reclaim this level of support or resistance, whatever you want to call it right now, because this is the market structure, let's say market structure that we built since May, and bulls are trying to push it up and reclaim it, which means if we manage to reclaim this level of resistance, then we could continue bull market up. If not, we are probably going to visit these levels down here of $6,500 and we're going to visit maybe a little bit below $6,000. One more thing that I wanted to mention is the volume. Volume started to grow, which means that the volume did follow this bounce here or vice versa. If the volume continues to grow and to go on the upside, we could potentially see price breaking up this level of resistance and we will see some kind of a continuation of the bull market. We are still in play for bull market because we do have some kind of a consolidation of $7,200, which is pretty much very good information for the Bitcoin at this point. One more bearish problem that Bitcoin is going to face it here is this zone of $7,200, which lined up with 0.618 level of resistance, which comes to the same level as the price, and that's why the bulls are having a very difficult time to break this level of resistance over here, as it is here up on the $10,000 where we can see 0.382 level of resistance. The reason why those levels are important is because everybody are watching those levels, and that's why we need to watch them, because traders will trade around them and we will see who will actually win, bulls or bears. And for now it remains only to be seen what could happen. It doesn't matter if we bring more indicators and check them here, because all of them will say the same story all over again until we see the break of the Bitcoin, until we see the decision of Bitcoin where Bitcoin actually could go up or maybe on the downside. We will see in the next period of time, and I think it could be in a week or maybe in a day. Now, jumping onto the cryptocurrency market capitalization side, we can see that the Ethereum is on $145, which means that we surge a little bit more after that plunge that we had one day ago, which is pretty much good. Bitcoin price is not affected altcoins too much. XRP is struggling for 22 cents. Bitcoin Cash is on $208, pretty much stagnation in the previous days. LTC Litecoin $45, the same thing as the day ago. EOS $2.50, BNB 15.20, Bitcoin SV100 Stellar 5.5 cents, Tron 1.5 cents, and Cardano is on 3.5 cents. Pretty much nothing new on this altcoin market until we see the Bitcoin do some kind of a moves on the upside or on the downside, as we mentioned before. And now let's jump into some news and read something and learn maybe from it. Crypto exchange Upbit confirms theft of 342,000 Ether, $50 million.
$50 million? And who you think you kidnapped, Chelsea Clinton?
Upbit will use corporate funds to protect user assets. In his statement, Lee Seok-woo revealed that at 1:06 p.m. on November 27, 2019, 342,000 Ethereums, approximately 58 billion won, were transferred from the Upbit Ethereum hot wallet to an unknown wallet. Unknown wallet address is that and that. Apologizing to users for any inconvenience caused, the CEO outlined measures by the exchange taken after it detects the incident while stopping short of calling it a hack. As we can see, this is not good for crypto world or for adoption at all, but let's jump into one more news so we can learn something from it. Bitcoin life lessons. User claims for getting Brain wallet worth $13 million.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
A Bitcoin investor has allegedly lost access to funds worth over 12.9 million after failing to record the passphrase for their wallet. In what may become the latest timely lesson for the wider Bitcoin user base, Reddit account that claimed that as of November 26, their balance of 1,800 BTC was out of reach. Brain wallet was. The user said the coins were originally stored in a so-called Brain wallet in 2016 when attempting to recover the wallet using the passphrase generated at the time. However, the wallet does not unlock. So as we can see here and learn from these mistakes here, number one, please do not hold coins onto the exchange because this is happening all the time. Please withdraw your coins, altcoins, bitcoins, whatever you have into your wallet. Another advice over that, when you do that, make sure you have copy of your passphrase or password or whatever it is, secret key. I don't know which altcoins did you invest, so which altcoin is using wallet, but you need to have a copy of your wallet, you need to have a copy of your information wallet and everything in order if something actually happens. And it's very good if you have it copied onto the few locations, so not only into your home but into the another locations also if something, God forbid, happen to your house or whatever. So make sure you are responsible for this because this is not bank, and that's why you need to take care of your keys and passphrase and whatever you wallet are you using. Make sure it's stored on the safe place and you're not going to have any problems. Make sure you do that first. After this video you will thank me later. And now let's jump into some bullish news that we had for the altcoins. Crypto booking firm Trovala partners with travel giant Booking.com. Trovala's service that allows its users to pay for hotel stays with cryptocurrency will not let its customers reserve any hotel that is bookable through Booking.com. Trovala announced it in a press release on November 25th that is already integrated bookings accommodations to its platform. The new feature will purportedly allow users to book 9,000 different destinations using cryptocurrency. Pay for your stay with crypto. Trovala's customers can pay with its proprietary AVA token and 20 major crypto assets including Bitcoin, Ether, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Stellar, Cardano, Binance Chain, Monero, Tron, XRP and Dai. The firm's CEO Matt Lozinski commented, "This partnership allows our users to access Booking.com's accommodation listings as well as the listings from several other leading travel suppliers, which is fantastic use case for our own AVA token and another huge step towards mass cryptocurrency adoption." And one more news that you probably didn't see, crypto expands into tourism. Earlier this summer, the co-founders of Scandinavian air carrier Norwegian Air announced plans to launch their own cryptocurrency exchange, which will subsequently facilitate the airline's acceptance of cryptocurrency payments. Wow! This is big. So altcoins do have its use case. As I told you many videos before, do not scream about altcoins are going to zero and stuff like that, because as we can see, Bitcoin adoption is still coming, and we do need to be patient. Patience wins, guys. You need to be patient in order to make money on any investment whatsoever, not only cryptocurrency but especially cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and other altcoins will reward you if you are patient with them. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and please let us know in the comment section down below what do you think about all this. And also follow us on Instagram and TikTok. We are uploading there pretty much daily, so if you're a little bit emotional towards this news or maybe volatility in market, we have very good adoption news that are coming every single day through our channel, through our page, and please follow us there for the further updates. And until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.